how to create Google Forms. So I'm keeping it very simple. What you have to do, firstly log in on Chrome, right? And there is second option to directly search for Google Form, and then go on Google Apps. There is a very simple option of forms. Click on this. Once you will click on this, it will take some time and you will able to see some templates here. You can choose as per your requirement, that you need to go for event, for order, for job application, for time request, for work request. And if not, you can create a different one as per your convenience, and all the created forms will be reflected here. So let me create a blank form. I have to click on this plus sign. I have to name this form whatever the title I'm going to keep. Let's say I'm keeping it for a job requirement. So let me mention it. It will be job application for developer, be it front end, back end, whatsoever. We can mention the complete description here. Let's say we have a JD or something, we can completely attach it. And whatever the corrections we want to make, we can make it like we want to make it bold, and we can want to change the font and everything. If I want to attach any link, that we can do in the description. Apart from this, there is an option of responses and setting that I will tell you later. So whatever the questions are there, let's say name. Now the answers that you are going to want, that you need into short answer or multiple choice or anything. Let's say I have put the name, so it should be short answer, right? It cannot be a multiple choice. So as per your convenience, you can choose here that what exactly you want. And if it is elaborative, you can go with the paragraph. If there should be a file upload, then you can choose that. Let me put it up on second question and show you the example. So what you can do, let's say CV. So CV needs to be attached, right? So file upload, you have to make continue, and here there will be option to collate that particular file. And now you can choose that what files are allowed. Let's say PDF is allowed, and what number should be only one file is allowed, and what should be the maximum file size, so that you can select as per your convenience. Now this is mandatory or not, so this you can click that this question is mandatory or not. If you are clicking it is mandatory, then the person won't be able to submit this form without filling this question, so this will be very much important. So now putting up another question, let's say passing year for 12th. So he can mention it, it can be short answer or whatsoever it is required or not, mandatory or not, that you can select. Now coming here, responses. This shows that this form is accepting responses, means if you are sharing the link of this form to the candidate, so responses will be collected here. You can link this to Google Sheet and you can collect all those responses which you are going to receive. Apart from this, you can close this when you do not want to accept the form. Let's say you have opened it for 1 hour, then you can make it a close. Now coming to settings. So there are certain settings which you can make as per your requirement, that how the things will go ahead. Once you made all the changes and all the questions whatever you want, or whatsoever you are making quiz or something, then there is option to send. You can click on that. If you want to directly send it via email, you can send it via email. The better way is to making a link and make the URL short and then copy it and share it. So let me open this for you. So this is the application or the form that we have created. So job application for developer. CV, you see, you can add a file name, you can enter it, and passing here you can enter it and you can submit it. Once you will submit, and it will show you under the tab of responses here in the Google Sheet. So firstly you have to create it, and at the later stage when they will fill the form, you will able to see it here. So in this way it is going to work. It is showing untitled because I have to make a click here as well. Yeah. So this is the thing, and you can store this where you want. So if you have any questions, any doubt, any queries, you can drop in the comment box and I will address it as soon as possible.